At a snow conference a couple years ago, I think I heard someone say there are over 260,000 variables that come into play when a snowstorm is coming in. Our job is to take all the good data that we have and make what we believe are the best decisions. On the backside of every snow event, before cartograph, there was still this mountain of data that required that we collected all of these pieces of paper from our drivers, and then we took that data and we plugged it into a storm report spreadsheet. Then we would take all the data from the storm report and then open up another spreadsheet where we would pull that data manually. It's about the most inefficient way, and honestly, of all the different activities that I was responsible for, there was probably no activity that was more redundant than just entering the data over and over again when it came to snow and ice control or winter maintenance.
So we built a snow and ice report that not only shows what each vehicle is doing in its route, but at the end it will total the amount of salt we use, the amount of liquids, how many miles we drove, so we can get in one report an entire snapshot for a snow and ice season and know exactly what our total costs are.